What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing the new Taco Bell chicken cantina menu. I got the 2 tacos. I got one hard and one soft. I got the avocado salsas. Let's see how these are. I got a side of nacho cheese because I'm healthy. And I got the chicken burrito. And my girlfriend got the chicken quesadilla. I'll take it from her really quick so you guys can see. She already started eating. She doesn't like to wait for me. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. You give me a bite later. I'm gonna start off with the taco. Oh. It's pretty much got like what the heck? Hold on a second. It's got like
first impression.
It's got like cabbage.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, lettuce, tomato, like cabbage.
Lettuce.
Cheese. I guess it's got some kind of sauce in there. I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna add hot sauce and this. I'm gonna put some of this sauce on it. Let's see what this is all about. Did you try the sauce yet?
No. Let me have some.
Here, try the sauce.
I wonder if it's spicy.
That's how it looks with the sauce in it. Let's see. Mmm. Oh, try by this. Try it. It's gonna change your life. Try. Oh my god. I'm on a diet, so I drink this from home. I like to say that. I just don't like the extra sugar because I'm sweet enough.
Mmm. I gotta say it's good.
I told you it was good. I don't know if it's a salsa or if it's that. Mmm.
That's good. That's a 5.
More than a 5.
From a 1 to a 5, that's a 5.
It's a 10. 10 out of 10. No. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's really good. I got you a cheese too. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Dip a little
Definitely.
cheese. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good.
Yep.
I lost this. We're in the car. I have my sunglasses on. I live in Texas. It's really sunny here. But I see you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hit over 200 subscribers. It's been about almost a month. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. More good content to come. I try to upload funny videos, like shorts, like every other day or every day. But food, like mukbangs, I probably do like twice a week because I'm too fat. Mmm. And then we got the chicken crispy taco, the Cantina one, but it's crispy. And she said it's not too bad because it has cheese. So literally, it's like covered in cheese. It actually looks really good. And put a little salsa in it. Oh, it already has a bunch of stuff. But this one doesn't have cabbage. It just has sauce. Mmm. It's good. The soft one was better. I like the cabbage. I better try some.
Mm. Yeah, that's not good.
This is more like, this tastes like a quesadilla too. Mmm. I like the cheese on the shell. Mmm. It's really good. It's just not as good as a soft one. You want the rest of this, babe?
No.
Mmm. Oh. So how's everybody's day going? Today's my day off, so I'm just chilling. Go try the Taco Bell chicken cantina menu. It's really good. This is the burrito. I'm guessing it's got the same stuff.
Yeah.
Same as the soft shell taco, except a burrito. Oh, she's working today, right, babe?
No, she said something about.
She said, wish her luck.
No, but then she said dance. Look, I don't get it. Look, dance.
A dance. Same thing as a taco. Chicken, cabbage, some sauce. The cantina sauce. That's what we'll call it, because I don't know what it is. And it's all chicken, so it's good. Because I don't like Taco Bell's beef. It's a little sus. I don't know what it is. This is a piece of the shell of the taco. But look how pretty it gets when you put cheese on it. Anything tastes good with cheese. Try some hot sauce. Oh, crap. On the cantina. And then some cheesy dippy. Taco Bell's always good.
Maybe in New York.
I love you guys. Thanks for watching.